Comprehensive training that replicates real-life hazardous scenarios is key to enhancing critical thinking, improving situational awareness, and significantly boosting productivity. Experience the CM Labs Forklift Simulator Training Pack, designed for smarter, safer, and more effective training for forklift operators. It includes scenarios for novice and experienced operators. Exercises include preparation for certification exams, as well as refresher training. The simulated warehouse two-stage mast forklift has a 3.3 US ton load capacity with adjustable forks. Operators use actual industrial-grade controls for a smooth transition to the real equipment. Exercises take operators from basic to challenging scenarios that push safety training beyond basic requirements. Operators improve their lifting skills while maneuvering safely with heavy forklift and foot traffic. Realistic weather and environmental hazards mimic real-world challenges. Take your training program to the next level and never miss a teachable moment. Coupled with Intellia Instructor, instructors can trigger faults and changes in weather in real time to add complexity to exercises. This next-generation training management system tracks important performance metrics and safety violations. These valuable and unmatched insights help operators be well-prepared and better equipped for their jobs. CM Lab's deep expertise drives exceptional training that aligns seamlessly with real-world on-site applications. Recognized worldwide, CM Labs stands apart for pioneering simulation-based solutions that address real challenges. Set a new standard in your training. Let us show you how. Visit cm-labs.com now to learn more, or call us at 1-514-287-1166.